Today we're going to take a look at the Tilta Hydra Arm Mini, which is a very compact and portable crane system that can be mounted to pretty much any vehicle. We're going to begin our testing on a Ram 1500. Starting with the suction cups and speed rails, we build our mounting base across the roof with. You need to measure 27 inches between the front and rear center points of the suction cup mounts so the rotation motor can be mounted properly on the speed rails. Moving on to box 2, which contains the tilt motor, the same principles apply. We need to line it up with the 4 posts when placing it on the motor. You want to make sure the safety straps are nice and tight. They're going to reinforce the entire mounting system. In the third box, we have the 3 sections of the arm that need to be installed on the tilt motor, along with the head and camera rigging. So there you have it, the fully built Hydra Arm Mini. We've concluded our tests with the Ram 1500, and the crane performed very well. We were able to have the crane swing from high to low angles effortlessly, giving us the camera movements we've been striving for. With the Ram 1500 test completed, we moved on to another vehicle, a 2004 Scion XB. We were also able to test the brand new Komodo X, which gave us an even lighter setup and better mobility. We were very happy with the results, especially with this ridiculous 7.5mm Laowa lens. This has been a very light and nimble setup, and so far we've been very impressed with it. We can't wait to start testing additional lenses. The ultralight is very effective for what we're looking for. You do have to physically get a lot closer because you're so far away in camera, but the results are pretty impressive. This is what the completed crane setup looks like. One of the most important parts when working with this system is safety. When you're checking on the mounting base, you also need to check the tension of the cables running from the tilt motor to the end of the crane arm. They can become loose and create instability in the arm, so always test to make sure the tension is tight. This safety chain is something we added so in case the gimbal were to come loose, we have something in place to save the camera. Moving on to the operation of the crane. The crane op usually gets the best visibility in the front passenger seat, so we rig up our monitoring on the front windshield in order for them to see what the camera is seeing and where the crane arm physically is. The crane controls can adjust the speed and the dampening of the tilt and pan with these physical knobs without having to use a touch interface. Because of the versatility of the DJI transmission, the camera op can be anywhere they want. We've built out a compact rig that the Gimbal-Op can pull focus with, and we even have the Tilta Mirage wireless VND control right here. The camera op can be positioned in or out of the car because the range on the transmission is incredible. So there you have it. There's our overview of the Tilta Hydra Arm Mini. We've been extraordinarily blown away with the results that we've gotten. We're very happy to be able to use a system of this caliber, and we cannot wait to start showing you guys the stuff that we've been working on and that we actually have planned in the next couple months. So thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you next time.